Okay, camping tip. If your camper is cold and you need heat to heat your kids up, you can take a plastic, set it over the central heater where the most force of air comes through. The air will fill up, the hot air will fill up inside the bag, and here we have the hose attached to the bag. So the air, and there's a little hole, the same size diameter as the hose, piece of dryer flex hose. And then we run it into our little camper, where there's a little hole in the door. Red Green would be proud of this. And voila, we have heat pumping out there. Oh, yeah. So, if everybody thought duct tape was useless, duct tape, bit of dryer hose, a heater in a minivan, and you got hot air in your camper.